Meghalaya Cabinet today discussed at length relating to revision of tax for booking a fancy registration number plate, Meghalaya electrical vehicles and others. Addressing the media after the Cabinet, Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston
One
Tinsong
agenda
said, today's
was
Cabinet
relating
discussed
to
matter relating to revision of tax with regards to booking a
revision
fancy
of
registration of number plate. Tinsong informed that the
revision of
Transportation
tax
Department has proposed few enhancement of taxes which was
relating
approved
to
by the Cabinet. These are with regard with those
booking
people
of
who use the
fancy
fancy number
number.
plates.
Fancy number means those the registration number plate we call it. So department has proposed few enhancement. Let me tell you now, and ultimately even the cabinet has accorded approval. Number one is those fancy numbers wanted by anyone like ML0001, because they used to have their own their own special ending number. The existing rate was 30,000 rupees, but now we enhance it to 1 lakh rupees. Then an ML002 ending 2, again from 30,000 to 50,000. And then 03, again from 30,000 to 50,000. 07 from 30,000 to 70,000. 09 from 30,000 to 50,000. 786 20 to 70,000, and 1111 from 15,000 to 50,000.